Hello friends! It's my birthday today. I received a lot of gifts and I thank God for all those people. May God bless you more!
Okay.
Unboxing time! First, I have to open Kuya Jig. Kuya Jig's is box.
Pictures na,
nice.
pictures na. Oh, sige, pictures na.
Do you know why I did Jig's first box? Because Jig's box is pretty cool, right? Let's unwrap this. Okay.
Oh,
That's nice.
wow.
Wow.
And
Show, sabi.
what clowns?
Take a picture.
Happy birthday! A new year, more.
Another year.
Another year, more adventures.
Sumal.
Enjoy your space day. Special day to Muziko from Frey and Owen.
Sige, show letter. Show letter. Ito sige letter.
A car! Whoa, I like cars. Oh, what?
Show.
How to open this?
Ano na yun?
Happy birthday to Muziko from Casey and Queen. Here. Whoa. Pretty cool car, huh?
Show it.
Happy
Six.
6th birthday
From
from
Uncle.
Uncle Don and
Tita.
Tita Billion.
Uy, I think this is for the birthday mama. I think this is the birthday mama. Uy.
Oh, ano na yun?
Okay.
Show. Wow, grabe. Ay, show ba?
Hello, direct.
Oh,
Oh, so many
Hindi,
colors.
show.
Show na. Wow, do you know who are this?
No.
This is from the
Looney Tunes.
Looney Tunes.
What's Ronnie Tunes?
Oh, it's long sleeve and it's
Wow, I
colorful.
can wear that tomorrow.
What's in Tunes?
Sige na,
It's folded.
sige na.
Looney Tunes.
Show the other one.
This is Bugs Bunny.
Partner mo sa
Design
misa. Nag-glasi pa. Ay, pag-glasi. The one.
Huh?
Partner na. Wow.
Mm.
Joseph.
Oh, Joseph's coat.
To Muziko from MNP. What's MNP?
Mama and Papa. Ah, sige, open na yun. G-plus for Mama and Papa. Thank you. Ano yun?
Thank
Are you excited?
Yeah. What's in swimsuit? Mama already gave me this. Mama already gave me.
Oh.
I'm shocked now
Why?
because I didn't know that you gave me some insect toys.
But that's what you want, right?
Yeah.
You requested this one. And
Napastil
you
ka pa na
still
naman.
have another one. You find.
Lapin sa po ng banila. I-show sa po ng...
Oh,
I-show po ng mo regalo.
insect toy MPs.
Mama and Papa.
Thank you, MNP. I have 2 swimming suits. Whoa, this is the coolest. Had to take this one.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Who gave that to you?
From?
Tita Wawa.
And?
Tita Dad.
And
Oh, baby
Baby.
Candice. I always forget
What did
her.
he tell you?
He told me that this is very, very expensive.
Oh,
no! You have to be careful. Don't leave it.
Take
every-
care. Sige
You
daw.
have to
Open.
take care of
You know
it.
what's that?
No,
That's
I
pastel.
saw
Yeah.
inside. Look,
My size.
whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
2 layers.
Wow.
layers? I didn't know that
Kasi
was
nakita
2 layers. This
Okay.
cool.
Yes kayo na.
You open those. Whoa.
Thank you, Doc Pinky. Thank you,
Dito.
Tito Jet Down. Thank you, Rohan. Chris Bum.
This
Bum.
one.
Feast.
Chris Bum.
Sige.
I already saw this. Calling one.
Push started. Yan, ayaw lang. Where? Yan naman. Sige, picture na.
Picture.
Ako na naman box.
I like emo.
Sige, saan mo na feel?
Excited to tell you.
Yeah, I heard you outside. You're very happy. You're jumping.
What? You heard me?
Oh, kaya, thank you na yun.
Thank you.
Oh.
Doc Pinky and Rohan and
Tito.
Tito Jatan. Dearest Muziko, grown in God's
Care.
care. Happiest birthday boy. Love Tita Apple and Tita Teen.
Wow.
It's cool. Huh? It looks
What
like
is that?
soldiers.
What is that? Join the club. Okay, show it to Mama.
Kind. Kind, oh.
This is a gift for Mama.
You
From-
read, oh.
Tito Don and Tita Villian. Okay.
Wow.
Sana, oh. Open mo sa.
OTV.
Okay. Okay, I'm sure.
Wow.
Clothes.
No, it's
No,
sure.
it's a show.
Show mo siyang show.
Show, it's a nice flower. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Muziko
Muziko,
from
from Ava,
Ara.
Ara, and Ava.
Hello.
Optimus Prime.
Hello, Optimus Prime.
I always wish for this before.
But now,
Yes, still.
tagkan ba ni mag-wish ba?
This is from Amira and Poogie.
Sige, open.
No, don't open it or else it will break.
It's not yet assembled.
To Muziko, happy 6th birthday from Kuya Gray.
Kuya, wait. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait.
Thank you, Yana and family, for the cake.
Okay.
Thank you, Tita Lang Lang. Thank you for the healthy chocolate, Panos family. Thank you, Mom Karen, Pastor Edson, for the puto. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
God is good all the time.